And the physiotherapist very quickly analysed what was wrong, and I sent her photographs as well, just to make sure that, so she could be sure that she knew what she was seeing and talking about. And it was analysed as the musculature around my right kneecap and the whole knee region was not as well developed as the musculature on the left hand side. And under her supervision, I was able to put together a set of exercises from the website, the My Joint Pain website. And I'm a disciplined person and I followed them, and it did make a difference. I mean, I realized, because of what she'd said, that when I ski, I much prefer skiing on one side than the other side because of the stronger knee. And after doing the exercises, when I subsequently did go skiing, in fact, they are both the same strength now, and I can ski either way perfectly happily.